Okay, so tonight for Mixology lesson number 6, we're going to make something with a bit of a Russian theme, kind of thing that Vladimir Putin might be crying over as the price of oil goes negative. Let's hope. So this is called a Balalaika, and it's made with vodka, local hooch here, Cointreau, and lemon. And free drink for anyone who remembers what this music is. So anyway, we're going to go with 5 parts vodka. Okay. And 3 parts Cointreau. Okay, that's perfect. And I've got a new bottle in the closet. And 2 parts lemon. Five, 3, 2. Vodka, Cointreau, and lemon. Giving it a good shake. Anybody getting the music yet? You're stuck at home and you got a few hours to kill. You have time to watch Dr. Zhivago. This is served up in a cocktail glass with a slice of orange. And that's a New York-sized Balalaika. Enjoy, everyone.